Black Mama Earth Entertainment, in association with Gospel Train, presents Ring Ding Ding, School Bell Ring. It's a fundraising event, and you can support and help to make Montego Heights Basic School,
the Cunny School,
a historic site.
What is that?
November 3, where the classic 28 Upper Tooting Road, London, featuring from Jamaica, Kerry Starr, La Ex Diaz, and Raswani. From UK, Papa Wase, and Emmanuel the singer. Special appearance by Ganja T from France. Hosted by Oloye Gege and Empress Nadifa. Music by DJ SG Vibes and Liberty Sound. Gates open 7:30 p.m. Endorsed by All Star Entertainment, Galaxy FM Radio, TGM Radio, and Spikes Radio. Tickets £20 London bound. Pay more at the door. Available from justtickets.com. For more information, call Sister Marcia at 0794 768 1875.